Take a ride in the 2007 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.